Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off with this Dollar Tree butterfly that I got. It came right on the stand. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint that butterfly white. And I did both sides. And then I'm going to take my antique wax and stain the base. Once I have the base all stained, I'm going to take this old clothespin, it's like a doll pin, and I'm going to stain that also. So once those were done, I'm going to set them aside to dry, at least the pin, and I dried the bottom of this with a heat gun just to make sure that it was dry so I could do this part. I'm going to take this sunflower scrapbook paper from, I want to say Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to trace around the butterfly and then cut that out. And all I did was just put it on the edge of my desk and then trace around it. And now it perfectly fits. So now I'm going to take some Mod Podge and get a nice thick coat on there. And then I'm going to add my paper to it. And then just pop the paper on. And I just smoothed it out with my fingers. And once it was all dry, I'm going to take a sander and I'm going to go around and sand off the excess paper. And then in the smaller areas, I just took a nail file to get in the area like around his little head and then in the bottom where it attached to the wood, and then that worked perfectly. So now that I have the paper all sanded, I'm just going to take some more of that brown wax in one of my applicators and just kind of go around and put a little bit on the edges. I didn't really want this rustic, too rustic, so I just did the edges, but I wanted to bring out that brown that was in the center of all the flowers and bring that around to the edge of this whole butterfly. Once I had that all done, and sorry about my kitty meowing, I'm going to take my clothespin or doll pin, whatever one this is. It's just kind of an older looking one. And I am going to wrap some rusty wire around the top of it. And then I'm going to trim off the edges. And then I'm going to take the edge of a paintbrush. And I'm just going to kind of curl over on each side to make his antennas. Or her antennas. Not really sure what it is. And then I'm going to hot glue that right to the center of the butterfly. Just run some hot glue on there and then center it right in the center of the butterfly. And how cute is this already? I absolutely love it. Next, I took this little sign that says, "Today is full of possibilities," and it's Tim Holtz. It's just a chipboard cutout. And I just put a little bit of wax around it because it was really bright white. So I'm just going to put a little brown wax on it. And then I am going to attach it to the bottom of my butterfly. So I just attached it to the bottom of the clothespin and right to the bottom of the base of the butterfly. And how stinking cute did this turn out? I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so cute. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.